So today I'm just going to do a little unboxing and demonstration of my brand new set of Arteza pencils, which I bought. It didn't break the bank, I didn't have a large budget, so I thought I'd just open up this box of pencils and do a quick demonstration. So we've got 4H, 3H, 2H, H, F, HB, B, 2B, 3B, 4B, 5B, and 6B. So I'm going to work through them and do a little just demonstration of a few strokes, light to heavy, and yeah. Okay, so here we go with the 4H. So maybe a little bit of shade. It's got a good range. Quite like it. Not very skillful strokes at all, but gives you a little example. Next we're going to go for 3H. Yeah, it's already a little bit easier to make some darker strokes than this. Again, you're probably going to need to get someone who's a complete professional with shading and all of the stuff to really demonstrate these pencils properly. I just thought I'd give it a little video. It's actually really nice. Okay, on to the 2H pencil. Yeah, this one actually I quite like for the shading straight away. It's going to give me a good gradient. Okay, moving on to a H. There is definitely differences. There's very subtle differences between them all. I guess that's the whole gradient thing, that this feels sharper, this one. I think my favourite so far is a 3H, which is how it feels and how it draws, to be quite honest. That was an H, so here goes an F. Yeah, I think you can see that gradually, working down the page, it's becoming darker. HB. Now, this is pretty much where I exist as a drawer. I usually just stick very closely with the HP pencil for most of my drawings, and then for darker shadings, I usually move straight up to 6B. So HB and 6B is where I live. Yeah, but you know what, that might change now that I've got a full range of pencils, because I think I actually already prefer the F to this for some reason. From a side angle it's like shinier, which I don't like. Shinier trying to attempt this sort of darkness. So I looked through my focus finder on the camera and I can see that my light bulb has got some glare on it. I'm trying this new filming technique and so far I don't like it, but okay. You live and learn. Okay, so this is a B. Oh, I like this one for the shading. Yeah, it's really nice. The range that I've got on that. I don't know if I'll be able to fit them all onto the same page, to be honest. 2B. 2B or not 2B? And I'm holding it super light, but that's very dark. Ooh, it's really nice to have this range. I'm going to enjoy using these pencils a lot. 3B. Yeah, you can really just see the difference now. I mean, this is so easy for me to make really big dark marks on the page. Okay, so now we're on to the 4B. And just, I'm really not holding this very heavy at all. And interesting, you can see the thin point just even across the page is grown out to a thick, wider line. So it's a very soft pencil, which is really useful for whatever you need. Yep, soft and dark, but this is going to give me a really good range now of shade possibilities. I was pretty limited. I was working with basically a 2B and a 6B, and I think I had a B as well, and I've used them all down to a stump. They were just what pencils I had left over sitting around after years of not drawing. So now I have a full set. I'm going to have to really get to grips with how to do shading really well. Like the purpose of this channel for me over this next year or two or whatever, however long I work on it, is to see my shading improve a lot, and also I want to achieve a greater depth of realism. So one thing I'm not very good at, as I'm sure you've seen in the videos, is skin. All of my shading's like this, but then I've been watching some tutorials online how to do pores and to get realistic skin tones and stuff. So over the course of a couple of years, I'm planning to hopefully be able to draw some hyper realistic drawings that look like, you know, photographs. I'm so far away from that, but I'm hoping that just with persistence and just practice, every time I draw a picture I'm practicing. I'm now just babbling away for this video, but that's okay. This one's really very thick. Like even the lead at the top is very, very thick. So interesting. This is definitely, oh yeah, 5B is like super dark. This, I mean, I'm gonna have to spend lots of time with these pencils to really get to grips with the differences. I'm liking this range here a lot, you know, that along with the sort of the HB. Probably I'm moving away from the HB actually. I like this range a lot here. 6B. But you can really see a full range of what the pencils can do just from doing this, even though between 4H and 3H the difference is very subtle. As you work up the page you can really see the difference. There we go, that is the full set of pencils, and now I'm going to appease my what's that disorder called? I can't remember. Everything has to be straight and ta-da! Arteza said expert pencils, wielded by not an expert. I'm looking forward to getting some drawings finished with these. Thanks for watching.